The best thing that the Apache can do is go behind enemy lines undetected, find tanks, and destroy them. I think flying the Apache requires a certain attitude. Some people might say that the Apache pilots have an aggressive or an arrogant personality, but I think that's also required if you're going to go onto the battlefield and bring the fight to the enemy.
The culture is such that everyone is always challenging each other to be better pilots. A little bit contentious, it can be a little bit aggressive in how we engage with and talk to each other, but at the end of the day, we're all there for the same mission. We're all there to accomplish that mission.
I would say the best way to describe it is tough love, but the tough love, it makes people better. You have to have that mentality in order to fly this platform. One doesn't function without the other. The front seat can fly the aircraft just as well as the back seat can.
And that symbiotic relationship is really the most important part, because even though the backseater is flying the aircraft, the front seater needs to tell him where he needs the aircraft to be in order to decisively engage with the enemy.
Vector 1-1, rifle away. Rifle out, laser on.
We train with NATO forces, and we stand ready to respond to any threats to the NATO alliance.